from the Cruickshanks. Okay, it's time to go to work, guys. So we got our tea. Follow the tea into the work area. Right, okay, so let me put that down over there. Excuse my messy desk, because, you know, it's organised chaos, believe me. Right, today, what are we doing today? Right, today, I have been video editing. We did an incredible webinar last night. So I've been pimping up the webinar, adding some branding and that sort of stuff, ready to go onto YouTube, which is here. So I'll be uploading that later and also into my groups. So that is taking ages. Look, it's doing that whole uploading thing. So we'll wait for that. And in the meantime, I am sending out some amazing free trial links for people to join into the free trial. So let's click rid of that one. So let me just... Hello, just wanted to wave and say good morning. Please don't look too closely at me because I've got hay fever. My eyes are really sore, so we're going to split in quick, get rid of that. But we have one of our live trading sessions going on right now. This is Paul's session here. So, and these go on every day. 9 o'clock for Paul in the morning in our financial freedom group here. And then all throughout the day, there are live trading sessions. We have David Kahn comes on. We have Anne and Brian. Anne is in Canada and Brian is in Australia. So this one goes on during the night. We have the Power Hour. That's their Power Hour one. There's another session from Paul there. This was Sharon yesterday, her session. So there's always Sarah Olney. A bow down to Sarah Olney. She is just the most amazing woman. She lives in France. And she is just smashing it with her trading. If you get on her trading sessions, you cannot fail to lose. I swear to God, she's brilliant. We've got the amazing Les Gallagher session. So, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to spend some time at home in the mornings over a nice cup of tea, you can literally come on here. You can join our 7 days to financial freedom group. Oh no, I don't post it now. Let me just flip my camera around again. And you can learn to trade, right? So you come on our sessions, it's 7 days, completely free trial, and you come into this group, this Facebook group. It's completely safe. There's no credit card required or anything like that. You just come and hang out with us for 7 days in this group and watch and learn from all of our live traders. It's just brilliant. And there's all my stuff in there as well, where I go through the BYOB basics. So if you've ever been even the slightly remotest little bit interested in Forex trading, why not ask me for a link to come into this group? And then you can come and check us out for 7 days. You don't need to join up to anything. You just come and check us out and see if it's something that you might be interested in. Right, anyway. You got me anymore because it's just hideous. Right, anyway. So, anyway, I'll get on with my work. I've got some work to do. The kids are sitting really quietly at the moment, which is lovely. So, I'll carry on with this and then I'll go and take them out for the day. So, have an awesome day, everybody. Bye. Thank you for dropping in on the Cruickshanks today.